Spruce shops in Murrysville, Pennsylvania. This is Schindler 3300 with the older fixtures. Got a nice tile floor. Got the 2 and 2R. I think we're going to be opening up like 2 different. Oh wait, no, 2R's locked. Here you go. The 2R barrels in your, I think. Back on 1. Certificate installed in town 14. Got its initial certificate. It was first issued in town 15 now. And your phone, assuming it's the only elevator here. It's a basic smaller cab. Got a rear doors you can run to town. Got the pinball chimes, my dad calls it here. Back on 1. I've known about this elevator for a little bit, but the door was locked to it for some reason last year.